first of all, what the hell is inventory performance index? Okay, so the inventory performance index is simply an internal measure that Amazon has come up with that tells you how much stock you've got on hand versus how many sales you're making per month. And if you have got too much stock on hand with the given amount of sales you're making per month, then you will have a low performance rating. And if you've got kind of what's, the perfect amount, which for Amazon, by the way, is 3 months, the perfect amount of stock on hand, then you get a high inventory performance index. That is, at a very gross level, what that index is all about, okay? It's simply a measure of your stock on hand relative to what Amazon calls your sales velocity, aka how many sales are you making a week, a month, and how much stock have you got on hand given the amount of sales you're making. I hope that makes sense. So that's what it is. It has absolutely zero impact on your ranking on Amazon. Zero impact on your ranking on Amazon. Why? Well, pretty simple. Amazon does not give a shit how bad you are at managing your stock and your stock levels. Amazon doesn't care about that because Amazon's worst case scenario is you run out of stock, and in that case it will simply usurp your product and sell somebody else's product. No big deal. And B, if you've got too much stock on hand, then you will get charged long-term storage fees, and Amazon will make money by charging you long-term storage fees. So Amazon doesn't give a shit how badly you do at managing your stock. It makes money anyway. So the only thing, therefore, that matters to Amazon is, let's think about Amazon. It's always best to think about what's best for Amazon. So Amazon is a business that you and I would think of is in the business of selling products, but it's not. It's not in that business at all. Okay? Amazon is in the business of maximizing ROI from its searchers, from any given search. That is the core of Amazon's business, and everything else is a spider's web off of that. So if we do a search on Amazon, floating candle, for instance. So we've come to Amazon as a customer. I've got my credit card, or I'm a member of Prime, and my credit card is already with Amazon, and I'm now searching. So here is Amazon's opportunity to make money from me, and Amazon's entire game now is to make as much money as possible from me now. That's what it's trying to do, maximize the profits potential of a given search. So what you have to do now, so here's one way it's maximizing profits. It's got sponsored ads. So now it's starting to make some profit. If I click on those ads, Amazon gets paid. So let's just click on an ad. So I've clicked on an ad, and now I'm thinking, do I want to buy this product? Well, I'm not really that interested in it. It doesn't really do what I want it to do. They're not the right size or whatever it may be. So no, you know what? I'm going to go and look somewhere else. So let's have a look at these other things. Now, the second I've done that, what Amazon sees is this product here did not make money. This person, this searcher, this customer did not buy. And so next time it shows the search engine results page for floating candles, it will take into consideration that this product here did not make a sale, and it will drop it in the search rankings. It'll drop it just a tiny little bit in the search rankings, and something else will rise above it to see if that product will make sales instead. The only thing that matters to Amazon is maximizing the ROI, the return on investment for any given search. That's all that matters. And so to make money on Amazon as a seller, our job is also therefore to maximize the number of people who click on our advert and buy our product, because by doing that, or whatever it might be, click on this little thing here, it doesn't necessarily need to be an advert. By doing that, we teach Amazon that we will make it money when people search for floating candles. We teach Amazon that we should be in the game on the SERPs, on this search engine results page, for that search term, because we can make Amazon money. That's what we're saying to Amazon. That's how SEO works. So everything we do, as far as SEO is concerned, is all geared around that. That's what it's all geared around, okay? Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Amazon only cares about maximizing the return for a given search term, a given search phrase. Everything else is secondary to that consideration. So if you do a shitty job with your product and start getting bad reviews, well, those reviews will appear here, and so you'll make less sales. And if you make less sales, you'll get dropped down the search results page. If you do a good job and get good reviews, you'll rise up the search page, etc., etc., etc. That's how that works. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.